WinLin. This is your technique channel.
Hi friends, I am happy to meet after a long day. Okay, I thought all are good. Now, I am explaining about how to install Tamil phones or other phones in Debian Linux. First, using fclist command. This command are shown all installed font list in our system. Then, try to install Bamini Tamil phone, but failed this time. Next, install default index font. This font sometimes used for browser because previous Kali Linux or Debian Linux not shown Tamil font in browser. Yeah. Now some Tamil font is installed. And Tamil font are also shown in this set. Please wait just a minute. Okay, installed. Now update and upgrade all software in system. This step takes some more time. Please wait. We will. I have used Kali Linux. This operating system is very useful and also the Linux. Please watch it. Yeah, finally upgraded my system. Next, I have installed font viewer software. This software has shown all installed fonts. Font viewer software name is Font Manager. This font manager software shown all installed fonts and which font have installed using this software. Now run this software. Now I have tried to some Tamil font. Name is Sai Indra and Bhamini Tamil. Just double click for selected font and click install button. Now install the selected font. Okay, I I have checked this font in only office software for some text. Your work Tamil font. That's all. Thanks for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe this channel.